Are you an entrepreneur in the Orlando, Florida area looking for a profitable business opportunity? Healthy Smart Mart is expanding in your area, and now is the time to capitalize. With low overhead, high profit potential, and endless growth opportunities, starting a Healthy Smart Mart micro-market business is a scalable investment for entrepreneurs who want to take advantage of the growing demand for cashless, self-service retail. The Orlando area is on the move, fast-paced, innovative, and always growing. But as busy professionals juggle work and life, the demand for quick, healthy food options is skyrocketing. That's where Healthy Smart Mart micro markets come in, the modern alternative to traditional vending machines. Our proprietary cashless app-based payment system ensures a seamless shopping experience. No line and no hassle, just quick, healthy food options at the fingertips of your customers, while offering entrepreneurs like you a high-profit, low-maintenance business opportunity. We provide the tools you need, from technology to inventory suggestions, with full support and training so you can hit the ground running. With minimal maintenance required and locations that practically run themselves, you'll enjoy unlimited growth potential. So why start a micro-market business in the Orlando area? The demand is high in small to medium-sized businesses. You'll have low overhead, no staffing needs, and a fast-growing industry that's booming nationwide. Healthy Smart Mart is your gateway to a profitable, scalable business. Take advantage of this exciting opportunity and get started today.